Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Family Home Kitchen. Imagine a plate full of colorful tender vegetables simmered in a rich tomato sauce and sprinkled with aromatic herbs. This is rataouille, a classic French dish that we are going to prepare today. The heart of this dish is a medley of aubergines, courgettes, bell peppers, and tomatoes, all bathed in a splendid blend of olive oil and a medley of spices. The result? A mouth-watering, hearty stew that's as vibrant in flavor as it is in appearance. This dish is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making it perfect for a healthy meal. Are you ready to cook? Gather all the ingredients needed for this recipe. You'll need 2 aubergines, thinly sliced, and 2 courgettes, also thinly sliced, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 green peppers sliced, 4 tomatoes diced, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, crushed, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of mixed spices, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and some chopped parsley for garnish. Now this recipe is flexible. You can substitute any of these vegetables with your favorites, or whatever you have on hand. For example, potatoes, carrots, and squash all make great additions. You can even use different types of squash, like pumpkin or yellow courgette. Cherry tomatoes can add a unique flavor and color. Just remember to adjust the cooking time for each vegetable according to its texture and required cooking time. Make sure to chop all vegetables evenly for a consistent cooking time and a harmonious blend of flavors. Start by heating the olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, it's time to add the onions and garlic. You'll want to sauté these until they're soft and translucent, which should take about 5 minutes. The aroma of onions and garlic sautéing in olive oil is nothing short of heavenly, isn't it? Now let's add the green peppers to the pan. Continue sautéing for about 2 to 3 minutes until the peppers are slightly softened. They'll add a lovely crunch and a touch of sweetness to our dish. Next up, we have the eggplant and zucchini. Add these into the pan and continue sautéing until they're cooked and tender. This might take around 10 minutes. The eggplant and zucchini will bring a delightful creaminess to our ratatouille, balancing out the crunchiness of the peppers. Now, let's introduce some tanginess with the chopped tomatoes. Add them to the pan along with our specially curated blend of spices: salt, pepper, mixed herbs, cumin, and crushed red pepper. These spices will transform our humble vegetables into a dish that's bursting with flavor. Once everything's in the pan, stir the ingredients well to ensure they're evenly coated with the spices and the flavors are well blended. Cover the pan and let it simmer over low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will allow the flavors to meld together and the vegetables to fully cook, creating a harmonious blend of tastes and textures. And there you have it. The cooking process of our ratatouille is complete. Remember to stir the ingredients well to blend the flavors and adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Now, all that's left is to serve this delicious dish and enjoy the fruits of your labor. When the ratatouille is ready, serve it on a plate and garnish with chopped parsley. The vibrant colors and the enticing aroma are sure to make your mouth water. Now, think about the pairing options. A warm baguette, fresh from the oven, is a classic choice. Or, if you're in the mood for something different, why not try it with a side of quinoa or couscous? The nutty flavors of these grains complement the tanginess of the tomato sauce perfectly. But remember, the beauty of ratatouille lies in its versatility. This dish is a canvas for your culinary creativity. So don't hesitate to experiment with different vegetables. Want to add some earthy sweetness? Try adding roasted beetroot. Craving a bitter note? A hint of radicchio might do the trick. And why stop at vegetables? Feel free to toss in some chickpeas or lentils for added protein. The possibilities are limitless, and each variation brings a new dimension of flavor to the table. So go ahead, stir up your own version of ratatouille. Make it your own, and when you do, don't forget to share your creation with us. We'd love to see how you've made this classic dish uniquely yours. Enjoy this delectable ratatouille, and don't forget to share your cooking experience with us. Happy cooking! If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.